Next stop with the Keynes. I checked and it's closed down. They banned the Toys R Us in Mition, Keynes. Those and when I checked well, but this did not show. What's this? Is that the leaves? They look at it. If you watch the sliding log, it was still there. What? Does it say Toys R Us, Toys and Games? And the work is the logo over here. Where's the original product of this? Baby size. Oh my god, the baby size logos now 13 designs nothing on the back. Pretty much nothing. Good. Who is that? Oh my god, the original sign! It looks like the original sign was still there! The sign was massive! Right on the back. Oh. Where's in the building?
Oh, hello. Is that the building owner of the old Toys R Us in Milton Keynes? Yeah, no, I know it's closed. I know it's closed yesterday. I'm here with my son, Mition, and he wanted to know if you have a